Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I'm going to show you what most kids in Jamaica would have for their breakfast in the morning. You know what I mean? I remember back with Chef Ricardo back in Jamaica when I was a kid growing up. This is what I would have for my breakfast. I will never forget this, guys. Basically, what I'm going to simply do is pop a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Turn on my stove a little bit. Roughly, might pop a little bit of my olive oil just to make it up, so you guys can see exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about. Basically, I would say this might be alright because I don't want a lot of oil inside of it. Alright, this is where most Jamaican have for their breakfast. I remember these days and I always said to myself, I need to share it with someone. Chicken Frankfurter. Split it into half and just fry them like this. Oh my days, guys, I don't know about anyone, but this is what I used to have sometime before I go to school in the morning for my breakfast. Beautiful chicken Frankfurter fried. I remember those days. I really remember those days. So you're gonna fry that for roughly about 4 minutes on both sides until you see it gets stiff. So that's what you're looking for. I turn on my stove a little bit, but I remember these days. Alright? Look what our Chef Ricardo gonna be doing. We're gonna fry some Frankfurter and we're gonna make you a kids breakfast. Jamaican kids breakfast meal. So guys, you can do this at home with the kids them. You know what I mean? It's coming up to Christmas. I know when Christmas finish, the kids are going to be home, you know, you're going to eat a lot of turkey and you want to do something very quickly before the kids them wake up in the morning, before Christmas or before, you know what I mean, Boxing Day or, you know what I mean, you have shopping to do. You can do something like this. Look what Chef Ricardo is going to be doing now. How to make a kids Jamaican breakfast. So we are making Jamaican kids breakfast meal. First of all, this is what you're looking for. This is the way you want your Frankfurter to look. My Frankfurter is finished now, and I'm gonna show you basically how I lay them out on my bread. In Jamaica, this is normally what I normally do. We'll have it with a nice, lovely hot cup of chocolate tea. I remember those days, and I will never forget those days back in Jamaica when my mom and my dad used to make these kind of breakfasts for me. I used to love it and I used to enjoy it. So today I'm gonna give you the idea of how to make Jamaican breakfast. What we're gonna do, we're gonna fry a egg also. Nice one. So as you can see, I just fried an egg. Put a little pinch of salt. Just a little pinch of salt. Also a pinch of coarse pepper. Most Jamaica like when the egg well done. Like this. You don't need to put a lot of oil when you fry an egg, guys. All you need is a tip of oil. Alright? So we want to make those two sides stay like that. Be perfect. Jamaican breakfast. Fried egg and also sausages. So Frankfurter. Sorry guys, Frankfurter also. Nice and lovely. So now I finished frying my egg. That is the fried plantain, the fried Frankfurter. And also we're gonna put a little bit of ketchup on it. Not in the tea, guys, sorry. A little bit of ketchup. And simple. Put that lovely egg we should just fry. This is, I remember those days, you know what I mean, where I used to get this for my breakfast before I go to school in the morning. This is the Jamaican breakfast. Alright? So guys, as you can see, looking so lovely and nice and yummy. Hopefully you guys will love the recipe and subscribe the channel. And please leave your comments. It's very important for comments, guys. I know a lot of people might say, oh, why Chef Ricardo doing this? It's coming up to Christmas. But you know what I mean, people do request things from Chef Ricardo and I have to do these things, guys. That's the Jamaican breakfast for kids. If you have your kids and you want to prepare something for him, this is where it comes in really handy. Jamaican breakfast with sausages, with Frankfurt, and also hot chocolate tea and fried egg. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye. Guys, thank you so much and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.